Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We are here once again to know about amazing facts of mathematics. In maths, you can't escape from one thing, no matter what chapter is going on, and that thing is calculation. The faster you calculation and faster you will get the answer. So today we will discuss about how to find out the square of a number which is ending with 5. For example, let's take a number. So we will do nothing. We will do in our mind calculation. What is the square of 5? It's 25, and we will multiply with this digit with its next digit. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Let's try another number. Square of 5 is 25, and we will multiply 7 with 8, that is 7 8 the 56. Yes, we can also try this with the big number. First of all, we will find the square of 5, that is 25, and we know the next digit of 12 is 13, and 12 multiplied by 13 is 156. Sometime we face some type of sums in mensuration, like area of circle, it is pi r square. So we will apply these tricks in that kind of sums, like okay, that means 3.5. How to solve the digit with the decimal? Same method, and 3 4 का 12, write a point. Okay friends, in this section we will find the square of a number which is less than 50. For that we will also take an example. Let's take 47, and to solve this we have to keep one number in our mind, that is 25. First of all, we will find out how much this number is less than 50. This is 3 less than 50, so we will take square of 3, that is 9. And also this number is 3 less than 50, so we will also deduct 3 in 25, and we will get 22, and this is the square of 47. So let's take one more example. This time we will take 48. Suppose 48 square, and 25. We will find out how much this number is less than 50, that is 2. We will take square of 2, that is 04, and we will also deduct 2 in 25, and we will get 23. So this is the square of this one. Let's take one more example for better understanding. And this number is 5 less than 50, so we will take square of 5, that is 25, and we will also we just keep this in our mind. We don't need to write this again and again. We can do this in our mind also, and we will also deduct 5 in 25, that we will get first of all we will take a number of 53, and we will find the square of 53. Don't forget the number of 25, and we know that this number is 3 more than 50, so we will calculate the square of 3, that is 3, and we will also add that 3 in 25 also. Let's take one more example. This number is 6 more than 50. We will find the square of 6 36, and also we will plus 5 in 25, and that is 31, because we have added 6 in 25, so that's why we have written 31. So please like and share. Thank you so much.